heavy. Where is he?
Way out there. Keep going. You can't reel him. You're not reeling. You got to pull and reel down. If you're just reeling, you're not getting anywhere. There you go. Don't jerk too hard. Just pull.
Be smooth.
There you go. Move over that way because he's coming up above river.
You stay up there. Stay up at the edge.
There you go.
Oh, God, he's going to touch my back.
You're okay. You're okay. Just keep pumping.
And by the way, this is my fish, not yours, Papa.
Oh, yeah.
Woo! Holy!
Oh, man, that's 30. That's a big one. Woo! Woo! Mom, there's a tired Alex. Hey, hold the.